What's up guys, and welcome back to The Crazy Brick. Today on The Crazy Brick, we got Building D-Day episode number 4 in Lego. Without further ado guys, we're going to go behind me to the beach over here. I got a time lapse I want to show you guys, so let's go to that and then we'll come back to this. So here we go. Alright, we are back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I got a little bit of work there. I ran out of pieces. This is Sunday. I ran out of pieces for that. So now, yeah, I'm getting them hopefully Monday. So you guys saw how far I built over there. We're going to jump cut, go to the beach because I already filmed some other stuff that I want to show you guys. So we got a beach part we're going to go to because I lost the footage of me of me explaining everything in between all this stuff. I lost all that footage. But other than that, because it's on another SD card, I can't find that SD card. So other than that, so I feel like everyone else is losing their footage too. So without that, it's okay though, because it's just like this interlude stuff. I did not lose anything on the beach. We're gonna go in, show you guys what I did. I expanded the water a little bit. It's pretty nice. I expanded the water. I think it's gonna be said in that clip too. So if something's kind of weird, like I say something a couple times, remember it's because I lost a little bit of the footage in between. There's going to be some other stuff we're going to cut to very quickly, and yeah, and then I'll bring it back here and we'll wrap it up. With that, guys, we'll see you in a minute. Alright, guys, so we got, I started doing this whole section with the Bricklink order I got yesterday. We got 500 more of those, and then this whole tray is once again full with tan plates and stuff, tan plates and stuff. Also, we got some of these, obviously, those, just, you know, I put them in a bag. I finished the back wall with that. The sand is going up to here. I'm kind of a little stressed because I only got this many, actually a little bit more, like 6 or 7 of those 6x6 plates left to finish all of this area. So I'm hoping I can scrounge up some more pieces, but the reason I don't have that many more is because I expanded this a 32 by 32 and a 16 by 32, so it equals a little bit. So it equals the 48 by 48 long, but it's not as long as the 48 by, because most of the Higgins boats, like from the pictures you see realistic D-Day, they don't come up to the beach and just drop their troops off. They'd be out here, they'd open the door, and the troops would walk through the water and get up onto the beach. So that is why I'm doing it this way. So, yeah, Higgins boat, also, we got to check that out. Higgins boat is not done yet. It'll probably be done next episode. It is looking pretty good. Yeah, I'll show you guys the door too. The door I used like Brickmania's new LCVP landing craft. This is actually no instructions. This is all in my head. I've been looking at a lot of different boats and taking inspiration off of Brickmania's. I've taken one off of this other website, I forget what it was. And I've looked it up and seen some great pictures and stuff, and this is what I've come up with so far. It's not done yet. A lot more to come with this. So yeah, we're also water. I'm gonna slowly, each episode, I'll probably get 1,000 new water dots to come in. This is probably already like 5,000 water dots. So I'll probably need about 5,000 in here, which it's not that expensive. I think for 1,000, it's like 10, 15 bucks. So yeah, it'll end up being probably like 60 bucks worth of water that we'll be getting. So hopefully, I have some coming in, 200 of these, because it was like a filler order. Like the order had to go over the price, so I got 200 of those. I blew that store out of them. So 200 actually helps. But yeah, thousands more to come of these. So yeah, guys, what we're gonna be doing though, up here on the beach, so the sand goes up to here, or maybe a little bit. I'm thinking about maybe making it this much shorter, for a couple reasons, because obviously I don't have that much tan left, and the mountain needs to be pretty big up there because then it tilts back. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do as much tan as I can up to here. No time lapse for this, sorry guys. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll see ya in the outro. So here we go. All right. So after kind of getting a big section done here, which is about all of this area, did another one of these holes here, which it's looking pretty good. It's not as deep, and the reason it's not as deep is that is like where they blew it up, because started stacking these for the barbed wire. So that's gonna be like right where they blew up to get under, or just to blow up the barbed wire. So that's where that is. And then I'm gonna do another one of those blowout holes here. Hopefully I have enough of these. I think I have another 200 coming, but I still got a lot. Tons more pieces over here too. So I kind of ran out of these so far. I have more, but like I don't know where they are. They're probably just scattered around. But I ordered 50 more of those, and then I think like 5 or 10 of those, like just complete ones, rather than just all cones, because then you can mix it in and it kind of looks cool. So yeah, and then we'll put the barbed wire on it. It'll look good. This barbed wire straight across there. That'll probably be done next week. I hope I have enough tan though to do all of this. I don't know if I have enough tan. Might have to order like 5 6x6 plates, but I can just trade some of my friends for 6x6 tan plates. No problem there. And then next week we'll probably finish like whatever's done up there. We're not done with the segment, but finish whatever's done down there, and then move on to the mountain. But next week we need to finish the Higgins boat as well. Looking pretty good, this Higgins boat so far. I think I'm going to work probably all tomorrow after the segment's done. That's as far as I got on this Higgins boat so far. It's all 100% custom, except for the door. I kind of copied Brickmania. And then looking at some other techniques. On the back, that's my own design there, kind of. And then that's going to be like the flagpole, and then build a custom flag. I saw some people do some pretty cool ones, so rather than buying one, I'd do it that way. So over here, we just got tons of parts for it. I ordered the Travis bricks in dark gray because I really didn't have that many. I only had like 2. One of them's there and the other one's somewhere over there. So I had to order some of those Travis bricks so I could throw them there. And then I ordered a lot of these 1x4s, 1x4 slope, and a lot of 1x3 slope just to finish it off. If you guys remember, in one of my Bricklink hauls, I got a lot of, let's see if I can find it right here. I got a lot of these pieces right here. And I have a ton of these pieces, but I have a whole cup right here. But what it is those are going to be in some areas, but most of it is going to be like a snot technique. I kind of wanted to save that. I was going to tell people that because people were like, you should do a snot technique. I was going to do that in the beginning, but I kind of wanted to keep it like to myself. But like, I was pretty sure that I was going to do a snot technique, because buying a ton of these would just be kind of expensive rather than just buying all these other pieces, because then I'm stuck with a ton of these for the next couple mocks rather than all these different cool pieces so I can do other stuff. So that's another reason I also did that snot technique. Can't talk. But all right, I'm going to go ahead, hopefully finish up to right here. That's it. That's my goal. Finish up to right here. And yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So let's go ahead and get into it. I don't know if there's probably not going to be a time lapse, but here we go. All right, we are back. So I did a little bit more here, just a tiny bit more. But what I'm going to try to figure out here is, so this area right here is going to be where it's blown out, from the barbed wire is blown out, and the Americans are just starting to breach in, because, you know, I want a couple different parts of the battle. I want to have troops in the water coming up. I want to have a battle scene kind of right here with troops here, and I want to have troops making it up. And I might have some troops like trying to, like, you know, go up the mountain, but I don't know about that yet. But yeah, so what I think I'm gonna do with these leftovers from these 1x2s and the 1x4s, I'll make this elevated and detailed, because this will be a little bit elevated and stuff like that. So when I finish the other hole here, but I'm also thinking about, what if I don't do a hole there, and like a hole like this, and have it just go up like kind of like a hill. I'm thinking about doing that. So I think I'm going to leave it like this for now. There's going to be a poll right up there. I want you guys to comment or vote in it if I should do a hill or a shelled out area or a hole. Hole. I almost called it a foxhole. It's not a foxhole. But yeah, that's going to do this segment of building D-Day in Lego. I know it was a pretty big one. It's not as big as I wish it would have been because I was kind of waiting for another Bricklink order to come. That did not come. It'll probably be here on Friday. And then that's when this video gets released. So, yeah, let's go to the outro. Alright, cannot be happier with how it turned out. I've really liked, it's starting to come together with the other whole bombed out areas. The beach expanded to 32 by 32 long. And I think because it's going to look more realistic that way. The hill, obviously, that's where the fun, and where it all comes together. I mean, the beach part is pretty much done and has come together very well. This is awesome so far. It's huge. It's looking awesome. Biggest mock I've done on this channel. So we got some awesome minifigs ready for this mock. Hopefully I can get some more. Also, a little thing. It's going to pop up right there on your screen. I just got sponsored. So if you watched this part in the video, you'll notice I just got sponsored. Use the code right there if you're going to shop at Cosby's Bricks. Use the code. Link in the description. And go, yeah, so check that part out. But, yeah, that's going to do it for D-Day. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new down below. Drop a like on the video. And until next time, goodbye.